So today we have Daisy, Cameron, I'm Anna, and this is Paola.
My name is Paola, and I would like to thank Ms. Martinez for always being there when I really need help and struggling with algebra. Today we will be making an edible EOS with candy, as you can see.
So we have M&M's, Skittles, Snickers, we have the EOS, we have some bowls and some spoons and some cups.
For the EOS, you can either use a used one or a new one. It's up to you. Let's get started.
Okay, so now we're gonna melt the candy
in a microwave safe bowl. Our candy being inside the top of the EOS.
First, we're gonna put the coconut oil.
We're gonna put oil.
Ooh. Oh,
All in that bad boy. Now we will put it all together and put it in the fridge or freezer for about 5 minutes.
So we're gonna put it in the freezer now.
So guys, that was the end of our edible EOS video. I hope you enjoyed, and no, we're not gonna eat it because there's 4 of us to split it. So this is the result. This is the cap. Bye! This is the cap. That's it. This is the cap. Bye guys. This was what? No, just leave it like that.
This was the cap.
Just
¿Ya fuiste?
¿Ya?
¿Ya fuiste?